So, dear students, this video lesson is on molality, another concentration term. Actually, when we will study colligative properties in second chapter, then molality will play an important role there. So, let's start about molality. Its definition: it is number of mole or number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Its symbol is small m and unit is mole per kg. One more thing I would like to share with you, that is, in case of molarity, mole of solute present in 1 liter of solution, but here mole of solute are present in 1 kg of solvent. That means in molarity, mole of solute present in 1 liter of solution, that means solute plus solvent, but here only solvent is given. So, how we can derive an expression for molality? Remember its unit, mole per kg, right now. That means small m equal to mole per kg. That means this is given mole of solute divided by per kg. That means mass of solvent in kilogram, right? Mole per kg. Given mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Again, same scenario is there, like what is given mole, then given mass divided by gmm solute and mass of solvent in kilogram. If mass of solvent in gram in question, then we have to further divide by 1000. So therefore we can represent an expression for molality, that is small m equal to given mass of solute. ये मास हमें क्वेश्चन में मिलेगा डिवाइड बाय ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट. How we can calculate gram molecular mass of solute? By adding at gram atomic masses of solute. Mass of solvent in gram, ये भी हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन होगा. And suppose it is in gram, then we have to further divide by 1000. Remember, solute present in smaller quantity and solvent present in larger quantity. Thank you. So students, in my last video lesson we talked about molality, its definition, unit and expression for molality. And I already told you that in second chapter molality is very important part. So today we will talk about how to solve numerical problems based on molality. So let's start. Suppose here one question which is related with molality, that is if 5.85 gram NaCl, that is sodium chloride, dissolved in 500 gram water, then calculate molality, that is molal concentration of the solution. Remember students, water is not a solution, water is solvent. If water is in your questions, then you have to consider water as solvent nor as solution. Remember, water is always solvent. So for solving above question, we have a formula, that is small m molality equal to given mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in gram multiplied by 1000. right? Gram, there is the gram, therefore we did multiply by 1000. Now what is solvent, what is solute? So check 5.85 gram NaCl and 500 gram water, only two quantity are there. So that means the quantity which is present in a larger amount is considered as solvent, and the quantity which is present in smaller amount is will consider as or will be treated as solute. So now mass of solvent in gram. I told you water is solvent. Therefore simply we will put the value of mass of solvent in gram, that is 500, and multiply by 1000. What about mass of solute? Sorry, it's a mole of solute. That means mole is nothing but given mass of solute divided by GMM of solute. Again, given mass of solute already given in the problem, that is 5.85. And what about GMM of solute? That is GMM of solute, gram molecular mass of solute. So we have given mass of solute, that is 5.85 gram NaCl, and GMM of solute. GMM of solute means we have to sum gram atomic mass of solute. For example, for sodium it is 23 and for chlorine it is 35.5. So put the value of gram atomic masses, that means 23 plus 35.5, and together it will known as gram molecular mass. Now 5.85 divided by 58.5, that is this is equal to 58.5. Put the value of gram given mass of solvent, that is 500, already we put here, and multiply by 1000. That means 1 by 10. 5.85 divided by 58.5 whole divided by 500 into 1000. It is around 0.2 mole per kg. Unit of molality is mole per kg, where kg for solvent and mole for solute. Thank you.